come here to learn different things in different papers. So first I brought them here to teach about the plagiarism tool. Okay, and there is a tool called Grammarly. So they use that software to do editing, but also it has an AI component. So I tell them you use AI also and non-AI both, and you understand the difference. So they learn the basics of editing process, how to edit the text, how to edit their papers and all that without plagiarizing. And it has a very weak plagiarism tool as well, which is not as powerful as Turnitin and others, but at least get to know how software check plagiarism. And then we have a translation paper on translation where subtitling is a component. So there is a company in Bangalore, it's a Bangalore-based company called Dulux. So they gave us a software. So students use that software to do subtitling exercise. Movies, this company does subtitling for big platforms like Prime, Netflix.
In fact, one of the subtitling is also part of their assessment. So they have the paper is partially theory, partially practical. So they have a theory exam which is for like 35 marks. Then another part of the theory exam, they come here, they leave everything, all their phones, everything outside. They don't know what's coming, but we use that software. And then they subtitle, and that is assessed by Dulux. So we have an MOU with Dulux. And they're a very big company who are into subtitling. They work with Netflix, Prime, Disney, lot of platforms, lot of OTT platforms. So that subtitling itself becomes part of their business.
But my concern is competence, language competence.
But they're postgraduate students. They're postgraduate MAs. These are postgraduate departments.
How does the laboratory enhance their language competence, especially English? Could you please?
Yeah, so the thing is, we have this computer facility in our classrooms also. So for the linguistics paper, we watch a lot of videos, content related videos on the screen itself, and then we do exercises based on that. But here we bring them to individually listen to phonetics, voices, accents, and differentiate between them. Yes.
A replica of the IIFL Hyderabad that way.
Yes.
Yeah.
In a small way.
In a small way. I don't know the.
Absolutely different. But Gujarat, government of Gujarat did have this initiative in the beginning, but unfortunately it has not collapsed. But we would like to revive it, taking inspiration from you and cherishing this flame now. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So you learn a lot.
They are MCA students.
MCA.
So we share this lab with other students.
Absolute use of this opportunity. All
place, we found a place to Thank you.
One more.
Sir,
Thank you.
We'll share pictures.
please come here. Please, I sir, up here.
This is our manager. I am, yes, I am principal, this is our manager.
Thank you.
So beautiful, pride of Gujarat.
Yeah,
Pride of Gujarat.
Pride of
They should have brought a lady lecturer with them, you would have made a dance. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Students they allocate to us.
fine.
And then these research centers like as chemistry, computer science and all, like we had to do extra infrastructure for those labs and all.
I understand. But since you have your institution is autonomous, I mean, do you frame syllabus for those students yourself, or that is provided by the university?
So like we have board of studies meetings and
With how many?
So right now we have about 24 MOUs that are active. So this is combination of both academic and industry. So the format varies. with some industry, these are very specific MOUs for conducting of, let's say,
One of the best practices in JNC, Jyotirivas College Autonomous. And we meet the students once in a month, like that is called mentor ward meeting. And we meet the parent also. That is like mentor ward, parent meeting. That is the best JNC culture.
We have NRI people also.
हाँ नहीं बंद થઈ ગયો તો देखा तुम
Thank you so much, sir. He is the principal of Arts and Commerce College from Gujarat, and this is his esteemed team. It is visiting.
I am principal class executive officer, and both of them are associate professors. That's he is assistant professor, deputy executive officer, and ex-nodal state nodal officer AISSE.
We are privileged, sir, to meet, sir. We are privileged to.
Fine, fine. Did you recently screen in public paper usually?
हेलो
Maybe other
Yes, yeah.
Other girls.
Other girls.
Yes.
This year also?
This
On
year from
26th?
our college we weren't there,
Okay.
but previous year they were there.
Okay, fine, fine.